Hey, what's up, Lily Zone viewers? You're about to watch a video right now. I recorded my wife. It's not that she's rude, but she drank something that gave her a lot of gave her hiccups. So don't worry, she's not gross like that. It's just whatever she drank was it just didn't react good to her. I'm also making a video just in case I disappear because of making this video. Alright? So count how many times she burps or how many times she has the hiccups, because it was just too hilarious. She said, no, I know where this is going. Yeah, it's going on Lily's Zone. Alright. Count. Better not what?
Put it away.
Well, what are we? Why?
That's not funny. Okay. Nice.
I'm recording you, that's it.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah. What?
No, that's not funny.
Okay, yeah.
Babe. Babe.
Yeah, let's go.
Turn it off.
Sure, what?
Turn it off.
Why?
Because I'm gonna record you when you have hiccups. When you have hiccups. Why? You're not being nice, babe.
Yeah.
You're lucky I'm driving.
We all hiccup, baby. Everybody does.
Yeah, nobody does it like I do.
This is the first time I ever heard you do it.
You're such a
Will you
liar.
quit interrupting me while I'm talking?
Be nice.
I am.
Yes, it's a Saturday. Ow. Be nice.
Okay. Hold your breath.
I tried.
Just hold it like for 3 seconds.
There's 3
go.
seconds.
Come on. Oh.
You're mean. I know where this is going.
Where?
On Lily's Zone.
Are you? Are you?
Babe.
All I heard is that. What?
I'm gonna get you when you have hiccups. Look, I'm gonna do a couple. Take you.
Sir, this late.
Take you. Ow.
Take a deep breath again. Go. Oh, yeah. I almost passed out over there before we got on the expressway, just laughing.
That's what you get for being mean to me.
Oh, goodness.
Like hurts and it pops my ears.
You never had hiccups like that, though.
Yes, I have.
But like uncontrollable. I do this because I love you.
Whatever.
And we can win $10 million.
No.
Yeah. Huh? Do you love me?
Yes, but not for $10 million.
Not for what?
Not for $10 million. That's mean. Holding your breath does not work. I already held my breath like 5 times.
Yeah, might be careful because it might come out a different way.
I'll make sure to be next to you when I do.
Sounds like it's gone. Yep.
Why are you stuck behind this building?
I don't know why you're driving slow. Not even when your mom has symptoms. Let's have a moment of silence.
I cannot be silent.
It's like your body's fighting you. Be quiet.
Right?
What do you? Let me talk.
No.
What if this was something you had for the rest of your life,
Let me know.
and you were like getting married? Will you marry Jose? Why? Yes.
Why, yes. Like, everybody tell you the answer.
There you go. It's the first time I've ever heard you like this.
The first time it's lasted this long.
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hope so, because they're beginning to hurt. My ear hurts.
See?
Oh. Like pops his ears.
Especially being going uphill. Yeah, it sounds like
They're gone.
Yeah.
Feels like they're gone.
Yeah. Little bit of hope that it's still there.
Me? No?
Yeah, it's gone.
It's gone.
It's gone. No more hiccups. Yay! Ahora.
No. It was just me.
It's gone.
It's gone.
What's gone?
No, it's not.
What's gone?
Your hiccup?
What?
That's it. Did you hiccup?
What's
It's
gone?
gone.
Your mom doesn't have hiccups no more. That's weird though. I've never heard it like that.
Oh, we have farted.
My hiccups jumped back through. And then it's tissues.
Yeah, they're
Your feet
gone.
down, babe.
All right, bye.
Stop.